Good morning, guys. Welcome back up to the property in southern Utah. Today we are back to our regularly scheduled programming. Actually, not really. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. It's 23 degrees outside. It's really cool. We are loading everything up. The toy hauler, the Can-Am, everything. We're doing it before the thaw happens, so we need to get the trailer and the toy hauler all the way down the hill. So we're gonna load up everything, firewood and all that. We are going to Thanksgiving in Vegas, and then we're gonna go as soon as Thanksgiving dinner is over. We are headed to the dunes. All of our friends are gonna be there. We're gonna have a good time, and we're gonna bring you guys along with us. So let's go. What's up, guys? After a long day working on the homestead, I like to sit down and watch a movie. I'm a big movie buff. As it sits right now, our TV sits a little crooked, so we were in the market to find a new TV mount, and we found one, Pipishell, and Pipishell is the sponsor of today's video.
Pipishell is easy to install. It comes with a drilling template, detailed instruction manual, and standard mounting hardware are included for a hassle-free installation. Pipishell is extremely compatible. Have a variety of compatible Versa patterns from 200 by 100 millimeters to 600 by 400 millimeters. The TV can be mounted in 3 kinds of walls: 12-inch, 16-inch, wood studs, concrete walls, and brick walls. Pipishell is a safe and dependable choice for your family and TV. Its heavy-duty steel construction has featured dual articulating arms, designed with anti-drop end caps and security screws for your peace of mind. Pipishell's large full-motion TV wall mount that provides strong support and flexibility, particularly designed for large, flat, or curved TVs. High weight capacity, 4 times tested on weight and safety to ensure its stability and durability. The Pipishell full-motion wall TV mount can easily support most 37 to 75-inch flat or curved TVs up to 132 pounds. Thanks, Pipishell, for sponsoring today's video. Freezing anymore.
No, it's 63 degrees outside.
I had to take one of my jackets off because I have 3 of them on.
We are in Vegas.
We are in the Viva Las Vegas. We're going to be celebrating Thanksgiving here. We're going to be preparing the turkey that we butchered. And
The girls are coming to hang out for Thanksgiving. So I'm excited about that. We pick them up in the morning. And then as soon as we get done with Thanksgiving dinner, we're taking the girls to the airport because they're over here for a couple days, and then as soon as we get back, we're leaving to the dunes. We do like every Thanksgiving we're at the dunes with all of our friends. So we're excited to go and do that.
yeah,
We're just gonna hang out in Vegas for a few days, go to the gym.
oh, I miss the gym
We got
so
our
much.
trainer Mark. We have 2 sessions with him, one tomorrow and one on Wednesday. He's gonna whoop us. He's gonna whoop our butts. I'm sure we're gonna be so sore.
I hope so. I mean, we do a lot of work when we're up at the property. It's just different than actually like going and training.
Like weight training. Yeah. We're just pulling into Vegas now. We're headed over to Grammy and Papo's house. Sweatpants Saturday.
Oh my god.
No, it's Monday, guys. Check out my new hat.
Driving. On to be comfortable in the car.
I was driving, you were sitting.
Can we talk about your new hat, Kenny Chesney? Woohoo! morning, guys. We are in Las Vegas, and look who is here. Tay and Allie are here for Thanksgiving. We're really excited. We can't wait to start cooking. But for now, of course, where are we at, Bubba Bear? We're at the Home Depot in hubby's favorite spot where all the machine happens, where all the power is. What is this called? The power tool section?
Well, we're at Home Depot today because the D-rings on the toy hauler that hold the straps for the Can-Am pulled through last time we went, so I'm getting new bolts and nuts, and I'm just gonna rebuild them and make them stronger. That's what we're doing right now. All right, we're back at Grammy's Papa's house right now, and I put these girls to work, and they're tired. You guys tired?
Yes. Woke up at 3:30 this morning.
3:30. Yeah, that flight was super early. Anyway, I'm fixing the little D-rings in the toy hauler, and the Can-Am is super dirty and dusty, so I figured why not have the girls wash it for me, right? It's a good idea?
No.
It's a good idea.
No, it's not.
She doesn't like it. I think it's a good idea. She's not doing anything anyways. Oh, I just got wet. Anyway, we're gonna wash the Can-Am. We're gonna fix these D-rings and hopefully not have any more issues with that. And then, I don't know what else the day is gonna bring today, but we're gonna try to have some fun today, yeah? We're having fun? Oh. Have you washed cars before?
Yes.
Yeah? She just tells me. Doing a good job.
Thanks.
All right, so these D-rings right here that hold the straps inside the trailer, these bolts are really old and they don't have a nut on the backside. And they're just, so we're gonna take these out, and I have new bolts that I'm gonna put in, and then I'm gonna put nuts on the backside. And hopefully that'll make it a lot more strong, because you can see that one over there came out. So we're gonna reinforce it, because like that one, and oh, I'm sorry, that one, and that one we use all the time to tie down the Can-Am. So we wanna make sure those ones are good, at least. Is that working?
Okay, keep going.
Go up there and smash that thing with the drill. All right, back it out. Flip the little button next to the trigger. On the outside next to the wall.
Yep.
Go ahead and tighten that one. Go.
Oh my gosh, guys, we're
Welcome
here with
back,
Coach.
guys. It's good to see you back in society.
It is so hard. Like, I remember when hubby had 5 plates on. I was doing Somo with a 55. I can't even do that anymore. It's so crazy.
The great thing is, muscle memory, this will be back in no time.
I hope, but it's going to
There's
take
no
a lot
hope.
of
We're
time.
gonna fucking do it. All right, there we go.
But, how you feeling, Big Daddy? We got to the gym.
That's good. I'm tired. It's been 10 minutes.
10 minutes and 10 reps, and we're already done.
All right, here we go, guys. Keep it moving. Keep the lights moving. Let's go. Keep moving.
Thanks, Maya. We're ready to eat some of that turkey that we butchered.
It was a good workout.
It was a great workout. It feels good to be back in the gym.
it's just different. It's different than like the chores and the demo and all of that is a great workout. It's really tiring, but
weight training though.
weight training is an ish and it's a thing and it feels good. And it feels good to work our whole body.
Soon we're gonna make a gym.
Yeah.
New plans to come.
Yes.
We're making a gym.
We're excited to share them with you guys. All right, you're up, Ricky Cat. The greatest thing about homeschooling, even Grammy can help out with it. And we can just bring it down here, get it going. It's amazing. So Ricky's doing school right now. Good morning, everyone. We had a wrestling tournament, so the kids are now awake and ready to play. We're here at Grammy's house in Las Vegas, and she is the Thanksgiving queen. She pops up Thanksgiving for a family is pretty huge.
More like 35.
35 this year?
Yeah.
35 this year. I feel like is a pretty big crowd.
Yes.
So right now, what are we making, Grammy?
We're gonna make cornbread to make cornbread stuffing with. They both
Okay.
have to take care of our southern part of the family that like cornbread stuffing.
All right, all right. And then we also are gonna do some deviled eggs right now, right?
Eggs.
So it's about 8 o'clock in the morning and we're ready. It is Wednesday, it's hump day. We are gonna get cooking in the kitchen. Are you ready, Grammy?
I'm
for
ready.
This whole day?
You ready, Ricky?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's cook. We also have the eggs boiling because Grammy is known for her deviled eggs.
It's good, huh?
Oh, wow.
Right? Add a little sage to it when we taste it and see what it tastes like.
Celery and onions, cornbread.
Charlie up there on his table, checking out what's going on inside.
Who wants that turkey?
All right, we're up here getting all of our turkeys ready to go for tomorrow. And if you guys see, this is a store-bought turkey. It's huge. It weighs like 20 pounds. This is our turkey. If you can tell the difference.
It's like half the size.
This is like 8, 9, I'm hoping 10 pounds if I'm lucky. But I wish our turkey was bigger, that's for sure. Maybe next year, we're learning.
We are in a learning process. That is our first time.
Mm-hmm.
There was still a few quills on it that I had to like pluck off.
Yeah.
So to all of you who wrote in the comment section to make your plucker, to pour water while you're using your plucker, thank you for that. It's a little late now, but the next time we do it, we will definitely be applying more water into the plucker. All right, guys, Grammy and all of us have been working hard today to try and get Thanksgiving ready for tomorrow.
I was almost asleep.
There are 3 refrigerators full of food, and I think we're gonna have a good time tomorrow. I'm excited to bring out our turkey. I really hope it's delicious. There's not a lot of it, but I hope what there is, people really enjoy.
Happy Thanksgiving to you guys too.
Happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah. All right, we're here. Turkeys are made, and we're about to try our turkey for the first time.
I don't know. I already dabbled in it.
Oh, let's
Don't
try.
mind my bun. I haven't curled my hair
Grab a
yet.
piece, grab a piece. Let's go.
Grammy, get in
Look how
here.
tiny
Grab a
this
piece.
thing is. You can't
Papa.
see
Yo, go ahead.
It is so tiny.
I'm good.
So let's. Oh, shit.
Oh no!
Where's Charlie at?
I think it's really good.
I think it's good.
We smoked it.
It's just not
Papa
good.
smoked it.
Here, you want a piece?
It's really good. It's just really small.
This is a store-bought turkey. A little bit bigger.
That's a 20-pounder.
That's a 20-pounder. This is like an 8-pounder.
Can I have some?
Maybe.
5? Come on, give me a little bit of credit, Papo.
This is the leg.
Anyway,
Yep, that's
family.
the
The family's almost here. About to devour some food. What else?
Yeah. Everything's in the oven. We can show you what's going on in the oven. We can show you what's going on in the oven. We've got sweet potatoes, green beans, stuffing. The warming drawer has stuff. There's a ham up in here.
We put the ham in the outside.
Oh yeah, we do. We got a lot of people. This whole thing is. We have 15 chairs over here. We got 2 tables.
And a partridge in the pear tree.
What are you looking? What is Bubba doing right now?
He's trying to get up in that turkey.
Be careful you don't pull it off, Bubba.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We are so grateful for our family and friends, and we are happy to celebrate Thanksgiving.
Round the rosies, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
All right, guys, it's the end of the night. We just had Thanksgiving with Grammy and Papa. Thank you so much to them for putting on an amazing event. The girls, I just took them to the airport. They only got to stay for a few days. We're sorry that they had to go, but we love them so much and hope they have a safe flight home. And also, we are super thankful for all of you subscribers and viewers that watch our channel. Thank you so much. And now we are headed to Dumont. We're super excited to get down there. My nephew and niece are right behind us. We're going. We're gonna go have a good time and do like probably another Thanksgiving out there. But this is gonna be the end of this video. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in a few days. Oh, also, happy Thanksgiving.